Tired of credit card confusion? Let's unlock the easy way to manage your Halifax Visa online. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to log into your Halifax Visa card account so you can take control of your finances. First, you'll need to open your web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, and go to the official Halifax website. You can usually find it by searching for Halifax UK in Google, or typing Halifax Scout directly into the address bar. Once you're on the Halifax homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking the login button will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your user ID or username and your password. Make sure you enter this information carefully and accurately. Remember that your username is case sensitive, so double-check that caps lock isn't on. Halifax often uses two-factor authentication for added security. This means that after entering your username and password, you might be asked to enter a security code. This code will be sent to your registered mobile phone number via SMS. Or you may be asked security questions. Retrieve the code from your phone or answer the security question and enter it in the provided field. Once you've successfully entered your login details and the security code, click the login button. This will take you to your Halifax Visa card account dashboard. From here, you can view your balance, recent transactions, make payments, and manage your credit card effectively. When you're finished managing your account, remember to log out. Look for the log out button, usually located in the top right-hand corner or under your profile settings. Clicking this will ensure that your account remains secure, especially if you're using a public computer. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Halifax Visa card account by following these simple steps. You can easily access your account information and stay on top of your credit card management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.